YouTube? What is good? Welcome to another episode of the Day in the Life series. Right now I am at the dealership. As you can see, I am picking up my truck. I got an oil change, but I just got a load paying $2,100 to go like 400 miles. I'm going from Arizona to California. Really good load, but I'm gonna walk you through that whole entire process in this vlog. Before we get started, man, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Now let's get right into it, man. So I'm pulling into the yard right now. I'm about to connect to my trailer. My trailer's right here, so I'm about to connect to my trailer and then head to the pickup, which is at the border of Mexico in a city called Nogales. So I'm about to connect to the trailer right now. Then once I connect to the trailer, I gotta drive 3 hours. It's called deadheading. I gotta deadhead down to Nogales, and that is about like 2.5 hours away. So you always want to get under too and make sure. I always do a tug test, but even after the tug test, I still make sure that fifth wheel is locked. That's my worst nightmare, is dropping the trailer after I, thought I connected to it. That's my worst nightmare. Come back here, connect all of this. So I got a few different things done on my truck. It wasn't that expensive. It was probably like a cheaper bill that I've had, because with truck and everything is expensive. I'll show you the bill right now. So I spent $808.27. So pretty much what I got done was a PM service and an oil change. That was like $450, $470. And then the heater in my bunk, there's a bunk heater back here and it's not working. So I had them check that, and that was like $250. But I didn't have them fix it yet because I don't really need it right now. And to fix it was gonna be like $1,500. So I'm gonna get it fixed in like a month or so. And then there was a recall on my truck. There was something wrong with like the brake illumination light. So they fixed that recall. And then the last thing I had done, they just did like a just like a courtesy service check. So all of that stuff cost me about $808. That's really good. If you've seen my other bills, I've had $4,000, I've had $8,000, I've had some big bills with this truck and shit. But I've had some big checks too. So you gotta take your wins with your losses with your wins. That just come with the game. That just come with being a boss. You gotta pay the cost. That's just how the game goes. So all right, so I just checked in. They gave me a door. Going to door 53. It was like a 2.5 hour drive, but now I'm here and checked in. Now I'm about to back into a door, and it's going to be a really easy parking spot too. So I'm already on the driver's side, and then there's literally no trucks here, so I can just do a U-turn and then like a straight back. Hopefully it works out. So I'm going right there where that door is open at. I had my blinkers on too, so they saw me. I mean, I saw him at the last second, but he was speeding through the parking lot. That's not smart at all. All right, so I'm lined up pretty good. So I'm about to change the temperature on my reefer and open up my trailer doors. You didn't even have to do that. All right, so something else that I usually do when I'm on the road, whenever I'm, you know, getting loaded or taking a break or just taking my, you know, reset, I always figure out ways to like make content. So right now I'm about to go live for a little bit, and I'm gonna record some of it off of this camera just to show y'all like this is really my day in the life. So I'm always figuring out ways to like make content, you know, come up with ideas, go live, interact with the people that support me. Like, so you know, I'm real focused and I'm real like punctual. Like, I take my time very serious. I'm very good at time management. You know, I set things aside, and I just do everything on like a strict time schedule. So right now I'm about to go live, and I'm gonna record some of it off of this to like kind of include it in the day in the life, because this is really a day in the life. Just checked in, just back into the door. Now I'm about to go live for like 15 to 20 minutes. So this is kind of like what it looks like when I'm getting set up. So I got the stream set already, and there's one person waiting for me. So I'm about to go live. Yo, what's good? I see you, Matt. What's up? What's up, Willis? Hey, Willis, where you been? Willis, where have you been, man? Mike, we'll see you. I mean, Mike, I see you. Hey, man, I see you, man. Bugatti the trucker, what's good? 38 people already? It ain't even been a minute yet. 42 people, okay. I see. I gotta start. What time is it? What time is it? I gotta start going live around 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, cause y'all coming in here, y'all killing it today. I got 53 people in here already, man. What's up, man? This Justin, I'm not done driving yet. Y'all see, y'all don't be watching my content in the shows. Like, y'all don't be watching, man. I said I'm almost done driving. I just got a couple things I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple things that I gotta do. It's all strategy though. Just know that. It's all strategy. Nah, I'm gonna get the heater fixed soon. I haven't got the heater fixed yet, Mike. Hey Carol. I see you, Carol.
Hi, ¿you speak Spanish?
No hablo español, un poco.
No, muy bien, pero bueno, yo le speak English. My name is Rafael. I am work that food deliver that play. Other people that food in my car. Free option the food, so you like it.
Okay, let me see.
Let me see. Mire, let me see. The flyer, only option this picture, no? The tacos a vapor, tacos de beef. The play is the 3 tacos in the box, and no picture, pero 2 more side. Mashed potato y beans. Lemon and hot salsa inside, and 1 drink. 1 option.
¿Tienes carne?
Sí. Mira, de estos traen carne, 3 tacos, mashed potato, beans, 2 side, and 1 drink, ¿sí?
Do you take card?
Sí, dos opciones, 2 options, catch up o sell.
Okay. Do you take credit card?
No license credit card. By my phone, to your phone catch up, your application Cash App or Zelle.
Okay.
Payment for me see you Cash App or Zelle.
Okay. I don't have no cash.
You know cash. Oh, you know. No, I'm sorry. This is the other people that payment for me the Cash App.
Oh, Cash App. Okay.
You see?
Okay.
Oh, no problem. Let me see. One option this. The other option no picture. Is the special today. So is the box is the three license the turkey club sandwich turkey club 3 slices mashed potato.
No, thank you.
No?
No.
The taco, no?
No.
Oh, thank you.
Gracias. Sorry. My bad. This guy, I should never open up my door. My bad, y'all. My bad. This is trying to sell me some food. But y'all see I speak Spanish a little bit. Oh yeah, I respect this grind for sure. We all got to grind, you feel me? How long will it take? I'm taking this load. I'm picking it up in Arizona. I'm delivering it to California tomorrow. I wanted to. I ain't had no cash. And he only took Cash App. And I don't want to get off live. So I just told him no thank you because I don't have no cash. 76 people. 76 people in here with only 20 likes. That's actually kind of crazy for real. All right, so I just got loaded in my paperwork. So I'm about to close my doors and then I am about to head to a truck stop so I can put fuel in my reefer and my truck. And my first delivery is tomorrow in Phoenix at 8 a.m. So this is a pretty light load. It's not even a full truck. So I'm about to put the load locks up right now because they didn't do it. And this would definitely fall over. So it looks like I have, what is this, tomatoes, grape tomatoes. That's what it looks like. Yep. These are grape tomatoes. Close this door. So now I am about to go to the truck stop and fuel the truck because I am pretty much on E. But this is a good load because it's like I get to stay at home. So I'm going right back to Phoenix. I'm going home. I'll be home tonight. I'll sleep in my own bed. So that's the good thing about being an owner operator and being able to pick your own loads. You can go where you want, when you want, you know. So, you know, people ask me about home time all the time, like, you know, how often do you go home? How often do you get home time? It's like the type of driving and the type of, you know, trucking that I'm doing, it's not like no consistent thing. I can go home when I feel like it. I can get loads that go right back home. You know, I can stay out. It just depends on how I'm feeling, you know, that day. Because I pretty much take everything day by day. That's how I take everything. So the truck stop is just like a half a mile up the road. So I just go to the truck stop. I don't have to wait for this load because it's like a half truck. So there's no reason to wait. So I just got to put some fuel in the truck and some DEF and fuel. And the reefer is already fueled, so I don't really have to put no fuel in the reefer either. So I'm pulling into the truck stop now. I'm about to fuel the truck, and then I'm heading to Phoenix so I can go home. So I'm ending today at home. So it's not really like I'm leaving, and then when I go to California, I'm coming right back to Phoenix. So it's like I'm gonna be away from home for a few hours, but I'm still at home, if that makes sense. I don't know if you can follow me or not, but about to fuel the truck, take y'all with me. And I always do a walk around the truck whenever I'm fueling, just to, you know, make sure. A lot of the times I cut the blinker lights on, but I didn't do it this time. But usually just walk under the truck, make sure no wires or no lines are cut, make sure none of the tires are flat. So I am officially back at the yard, aka the headquarters. Took me about 2.5 hours to get here. So the delivery isn't until tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So what I'm gonna do now is park my truck and catch a lift to my apartment. So this is pretty much like how you get extra home time while still being able to work. So I didn't really want to take today off, really. Or I wanted to take today off, but I just saw a load that was just, you know, good. 2100 going to California, which is only a few hundred miles. So I delivered well, it has 2 drops too, but the drop is in Phoenix, so it's not really like leaving today. So I still get to stay, you know, home in Phoenix, and then I don't you know, I can leave tomorrow like evening or something like that. So just taking y'all through what it's like, man, day in the life, for real. This is really what what it's like for me, at least, you know. And it's just a show, like, everybody has their own trucking experiences, so you just gotta create your own experience as a, you know, as a truck driver or owner operator or fleet owner, because everybody has different experiences. Everybody, nobody has the same experiences. So yeah, that's it, man. I'm about to park, the lift is on the way, and I'm about to go back to my apartment. All right, welcome to the end of today's vlog. As you can see, I am at the yard right now. Yesterday, I picked up a load. It's paying $2,100. So I picked up the load. I came back to Phoenix. I went home, took care of some stuff, woke up this morning, drove back to the yard. Now I'm about to go make the delivery. It is currently, let's see what time it is. It is currently 7:23 a.m. It's Wednesday, December 1st. So it's the next day. I'm about to go deliver the load. But if you made it to the end, man, smash the like button. Also, drop a comment, man. And then lastly, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. I'll see you on the next one, man.